Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm sharing the top IKEA space-saving furniture and products that are perfect for small homes. Let's jump right in. 1. PAX Wardrobe. Our first pick is the PAX wardrobe, which is an absolute game changer for small spaces. The beauty of PAX lies in its incredible versatility and customization options. Whether you're dealing with an awkwardly shaped room or a tight corner, PAX can be tailored to fit your space perfectly. You can choose from a variety of heights, widths, door styles, and interior organizers, making it easy to create a wardrobe that meets all your storage needs. For those with limited space, sliding doors are a fantastic option, as they don't require extra room to open, unlike traditional hinged doors. Additionally, PAX's interior organizers, like pull-out trays, shoe racks, and clothes rails, allow you to utilize every inch of space efficiently. Consider adding a mirror to the outside of the wardrobe door. Not only does this eliminate the need for a separate full-length mirror, but it also reflects light and gives the illusion of a larger room. PAX is more than just a wardrobe. It's a personalized storage solution that can transform any small space. Next, we have the Besto Shelving Unit, one of IKEA's most versatile storage solutions, perfect for adapting to any small space. Whether you need a TV stand, extra storage, or even a room divider, the Besto system offers a range of configurations that can be customized to your specific needs. Available in multiple colors, Besto can seamlessly blend with your existing decor, whether you're aiming for a minimalist look or something more vibrant. The flexibility of this unit is what makes it stand out. You can opt for open shelving to display your favorite items or add doors to keep clutter hidden. Small spaces demand furniture that can multitask, and the Hemnes daybed does just that. It's a multifunctional piece that serves as a sofa by day and a bed by night, making it perfect for rooms that need to perform double duty, such as a living room that doubles as a guest room or a home office that also needs to accommodate overnight guests. The daybed's classic design fits effortlessly into a variety of decor styles, from modern to traditional. When it's time to accommodate guests, simply pull out the trundle to transform it into a comfortable double bed. The 3 spacious drawers underneath are perfect for storing extra bedding, pillows, or even off-season clothing, keeping your space clutter-free. One tip to make the most of this piece: use the drawers to store items that aren't needed every day, such as guest linens or seasonal decor. This helps free up more accessible storage areas for daily use. The Hemnes daybed is a brilliant way to maximize space without sacrificing comfort or style, making it an essential piece for any small home. If you're short on storage space in your bedroom, the Malm High bed frame with 2 storage boxes is a lifesaver. This bed frame is designed with both style and functionality in mind, offering ample storage space underneath without compromising on aesthetics. The high frame allows you to utilize the space beneath the bed for storage, making it an ideal solution for small bedrooms where every inch counts. The included storage boxes slide out effortlessly on casters, providing a smooth and easy way to access your belongings. These boxes are perfect for storing clothes, shoes, or other items you want to keep out of sight but within easy reach. A smart tip for small space living: consider using underbed storage for items that are bulkier or less frequently used, like winter coats or spare bedding. This frees up closet space for everyday items. The kitchens and dining areas often need flexible furniture, and the Björsta wall-mounted drop-leaf table is the perfect solution. This innovative table design allows you to maximize your space without sacrificing the functionality of a dining or work area. When not in use, the table folds flat against the wall, taking up minimal space. But when it's time to eat or work, simply fold it up and you've got a sturdy table ready for use. For those who occasionally need extra dining space but can't afford to have a large table taking up room all the time, the Skansnes extendable table is the perfect choice. This table can easily be extended when you have guests over and then shrunk back down to a more compact size when not in use, making it a versatile addition to any small home. The Skansnes table is versatile enough to function as your everyday dining table, providing ample space for daily meals. When extended, it can comfortably accommodate more people, making it ideal for dinner parties or family gatherings. A great tip: when not in use, You can push the table against a wall and use it as a console table or workspace, adding to its functionality without taking up extra space. The table's elegant design adds a touch of sophistication to any small dining area, and its compact size ensures it doesn't overwhelm the room. With the Skansnes extendable table, you get the best of both worlds, a stylish piece of furniture that adapts to your needs without monopolizing your space. The Veskin cart is a versatile storage solution that's perfect for small spaces. Its slim design makes it ideal for narrow spaces like bathrooms, kitchens, or even as extra storage in your living room. The cart's 3 shelves offer ample space for storing toiletries, kitchen essentials, or even books and magazines, helping you keep your home organized and clutter-free. Organizing a small space can be challenging, but the Scubby box set of 6 makes it much easier. These lightweight, durable boxes are perfect for tidying up your wardrobe, storing items under the bed, or organizing shelves. Each box comes with a zippered lid to keep everything dust-free, making it a great solution for storing clothes, accessories, or other small items. One of the best features of the Scubby boxes is their ability to fold flat when not in use. Storage bedside table is a clever dual-purpose solution for small bedrooms. This innovative product serves as both a storage unit and a bedside table, offering incredible functionality in a compact design. The slim shape allows it to fit neatly under your bed, utilizing space that would otherwise go to waste. Equipped with wheels, the Fredvang unit can easily be pulled out when needed, making it a convenient storage solution for items like books, electronics, or nighttime essentials. When you need a bedside table, simply slide it out, and you've got a functional piece of furniture that doesn't take up extra space during the day. A tip for small bedrooms: choose multifunctional furniture like the Fredvang that can do double duty, saving you both space and money. The versatility of this piece means you can keep your bedroom organized without the need for additional furniture, making it a perfect choice for maximizing a small living area. Finally, we have the Symfonisk Sonos speaker lamp, a brilliant 2-in-1 product that combines lighting with high-quality sound. This stylish lamp doubles as a Sonos speaker, allowing you to enjoy your favorite music while saving space on your bedside table or shelf. It's perfect for those who love minimalism and multifunctional designs, helping to reduce clutter in your living space. The Symfonisk lamp is more than just a space saver. It's also a statement piece that adds a warm, cozy ambiance to any room. Whether placed on a nightstand, a shelf, or a side table, this lamp speaker combo helps create a relaxing atmosphere while delivering impressive sound quality. That's it for today's roundup. Which of these IKEA products would you add to your space? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more home tips. See you in the next video.